Well, everybody, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit back and watch my all-time favorite TV show on YouTube, Harry's Hot Rod Garage. But first, we're going to have an all-American snack to go along with it. Yes, sir, Jiffy Pop. I grew up with this stuff. I'm going to go out with it. Well, the first thing you do is open that little tab right there. It has the arrow on it. It says to open. I don't want to crush it, so I always stick a knife under it. Pop it up to peel it back. There you go. Now all we got to do is turn the stove on. I put it on high. Just let it get hot. Once you hear it sizzling, you start shaking that bugger. Once it starts popping, it's all over, brother. One pop. Here we go. And when it stops popping, you take it off. Can't you just smell it? Welcome to the first episode of Harry's Hot Rod Garage. Today we're going to check out a 32 Ford Street Rod owned by Gary. Also, you hot rod guys and gals, on Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now for the popcorn. Have a good night. My favorite TV show.